Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Today we're going to show you a little bit of troubleshooting, how to troubleshoot photo eyes. These guys. So if you got an eye out or both eyes out, the first thing I always do is I would cut the wires at the eyes. Now I don't have these spliced, but you'll splice them to get, the metal on the wire, not the insulation. You put black to black and white to white. So you take your eyes off from where they go. You bring them right to the back of the opener, wire them up, and then, here, if I could do this with, like that. You wire them up, white to white, black to black, whatever. And if they go on, then you know you have bad wiring. If one goes on, then you could have a bad one or that wire's bad. So on this particular job that I just got done with, I had to futz with it for a few times, but that eye was actually on and bad, believe it or not. So this one was on, shooting a signal to the receiver over there. And even though that it was on, it was bad because there it is right there. That's the old one. I just have these like this just to show you the video. So you splice them black to black, white to white. You run your new wire. You can see there's two wires. That's the new one. That's the old one. That's the push button one. And we run it all the way to the back here to the machine. And then you wire them up. And then voila. You will have, I'll show you here, that one's on, the amber orange, okay? And then we'll come over here to the green one, which is the receiver, and that one's on. So, new eyes, new wires, and an added bonus, a Sears Craftsman opener that you have never seen before. So yes, this is a Sears Craftsman. 2003. Uh-oh. What do we have here? Look at that bad boy. I don't think you've ever seen one like that. Look how it's mounted to the ceiling, to the roof rafter that goes right to the outside. The pole runs down this way, mounted to there. I've never ever seen anything like that ever. There's the model number and everything. Just absolutely crazy. There's for the light bulb. I don't even know what that is. The pull switch or something. I have no idea. Look at that thing. I don't even know what that is. That looks like a fuse box or something up there. Just crazy, huh? You never know what you're going to see. And I can tell you what. That right there, that looks like that's how it got hooked up. Right there. I put this one in a long time ago. Did a torsion conversion here. You can see we just kind of left those guys limp hanging. And the other one. Anyway. It is what it is. But that's the way to troubleshoot your eyes. You first cut them down there. Obviously, leave yourself enough slack on the wire. Strip them, bring them back to the head unit. Okay? Back to the head unit. Point these at each other so that they're directly at each other. Like this. As they're wired up. And then you can see if the lights both go on, then you've got a bad wire. So I just recommend replacing both wires and they're good to go. Believe it or not, even though the wires may look fine, you never know. A staple could have went in just a little bit harder. A little mouse could have chewed on it somewhere. You never know. You never know. It could have gotten corroded down here at the floor from all the salt, from the salt in Chicagoland, whatever. You just never know. So if you bring them back here and both eyes are on, bad wiring. If one eye is on, possibly bad wiring or bad eye. If both eyes are off, then you replace both the eyes, leave the wiring down there. splice in new eyes, and then you're golden. That's how you do it. That's troubleshooting photo eyes. And then obviously make sure you tighten those down snug. And you can see this is an older machine where there's screw-ons. I like leaving this wire nice and long, so I gotta tinker with little tiny bits of wire. I like it, make them nice and long so you can just fold it on there nice and tight. And that's how you troubleshoot photo eyes on an old Sears Craftsman or newer one, doesn't matter which one. This one definitely didn't have no photo eyes. That thing's got it. I've never seen one like that. It's got to be from the 50s or 60s, man. That thing is just insane. Anyway, thanks for watching our how to troubleshoot photo eye on a Chamberlain, Sears, LiftMaster, Link, TrueGuard, whatever. Thanks for watching, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our troubleshooting garage door photo eyes video.